Name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. My name is Ummi Habiba, and today my presentation topic is from chapter 5, which is audiogram and threshold measurement. First of all, we will know the definition of audiogram. That what is audiogram? Audiogram is a graph that shows the softest sound a person can hear at different pitches or frequencies. The softest sound a person can hear at different pitches or frequencies is an audiogram. The result from a hearing test are displayed on an audiogram. The closer the marks are the top of the graph, the softer the sound the person can hear. Where the patient's result fall on the audiogram indicate the different degrees of hearing lost. Next point is audiogram symbols. That what are the audiogram symbols that what we are shown on the audiograms. An O often is used to represent responses for the right ear. O often is used to represent the responses of the right ear, and X is used to represent the responses for the left ear. The pitches shown on the audiogram are the most important for hearing and understanding conversations. Each sound we hear when someone speaks has a different pitch and loudness. For example, the S sound is high in pitch and quiet, and the E O sound is low in pitch and louder. The next slide is the audiogram examples. The following audiogram charts examples show different level of hearing loss. These charts show audiogram result received after the and hearing exam. The number one is audiogram with severe hearing loss. With severe hearing loss, the children with hearing levels in the severe range may only hear a very loud speech or loud environmental sound such as fire truck, a siren, or a door slamming. Next, audiogram with moderate hearing loss. With moderate hearing loss, children with hearing levels in the moderate range will have difficulty hearing regular speech even at close distances. Regular speech at close distances. Next, audiogram with mild hearing loss. With mild hearing loss, children with hearing levels in the mild range will have trouble hearing and understanding the soft speech. They have trouble in hearing and understanding the soft speech from the distance or speech in the background of the noise. Next, audiogram with a normal hearing level. Audiogram with a normal hearing level, this audiogram shows the normal hearing that the person can hear the normal sound and normal hearing. The next slide is how does an audiogram measures the hearing or measuring of threshold. That audiogram, how does audiogram measure the hearing or measuring of the threshold? During a hearing test, sound are presented in a different ways. Sound different presented in different ways, and when testing with earphones or loudspeakers, the sound go into the ear canal and through the middle ear to reach to the inner ear, and this is known as ear conduction testing. When the sound travel from the ear canal to the middle ear and then to the inner ear, and this is called as ear conduction testing. Ear conduction testing looks at how the whole hearing system respond to the sound. If the ear conduction testing shows a hearing loss, bone conduction testing is used. When there is a hearing loss in the ear conduction, then the bone conduction testing is used. A device called a bone vibrator is placed behind the ear to send the sound directly to the inner ear. There is a device which is placed behind the ear from which the sound directly sent to the inner ear. Sound are sent through the bones of the head and do not pass through the eardrum of the middle ear. When something stops sound from moving through the eardrum and middle ear, bone conduction hearing level will better than the ear conduction level. Thank you.